last group of plants that we're going to talk about today are the grasses. And these are monocots, like I mentioned in the previous video. If you hadn't learned about plant evolution before, you might think of grasses as maybe being the most primitive of plants. They don't seem very exciting. But actually, relative to the other plants we've looked at today, they're quite modern. They only evolved 55 million years ago. And this has been dated by finding grass in fossilised dinosaur feces. When we talk about the grasses, we're not just talking about typical grass you might imagine that's the kind of thing you would see in a grass lawn. It also includes plants like weeds, oats, rice. These are some of the most important plants in our diet. They were the first plants to be domesticated by humans in the agricultural revolution. There's a number of important evolutionary adaptations that grasses have got that mean that they're so successful. When we talk about how we're currently in the age of the grasses, the first and probably the most important of these adaptations is how grasses grow from the base upwards instead of from the tip. And this means that if the top is eaten by a herbivore, or if it burns in a fire, the plant can still survive and grow back. The next of these evolutionary adaptations that grasses have got is that they contain these sand-like crystals called phytins. When herbivores eat grass, these crystals grind down their teeth, almost like sand. Now that's the end of the plant evolution trail. I hope you enjoyed it today and maybe learned something new, or maybe you'll look at the plants around you in a different way. If you found it interesting, I'd recommend that you visit the museum and have a look at some of the plant fossils that we showed earlier. Or you can do the other trail at Botanic Grounds, the tree trail, which shows you some of the trees